Well, welcome back. We did a little test patch on this side panel recently. That color of blue looks kind of nice, but that's not what we're here to talk about. Let's go in here. A little bit of Fender repair this afternoon. Yeah. Got the side patch there. Another patch on the bottom. Seam sealer. And yeah, let's go see how I did it. It was pretty easy, didn't take very long, only a couple hours. Done both sides. Let's go see. So this bus has a little bit of rust problems around the rear fender wells. So I made these filler plates right here. And they're not welded all the way around, they're just stitched in places just to hold it there enough. Fill the gap, right? And there's also some rust over here, you can see. So I made this template of the fender here. Out here, I just traced it around the edge of the fender. And it's gonna go, let's see if I can put it up there. Going to go up there just like that. One on the back here, one on the front. So there's two plates, and I just cut them out of 16 gauge steel. Primed the back side, so that side will be on there. A little bit of rust preventive corrosion prevention, I guess. Pre-drilled a few holes in them. I'm just going to use self-tapping screws because they're going to be seam sealed behind or between this panel and there. So it'll prevent the rust or the water from running in here any farther. And I've sprayed all this with rust converter, and then I've primed it with some rust primer. And you can see over here, I've done this side already. I'm just using this Napa seam sealer here. Automotive seam and joint sealer. Part number is that right there. Works really well. So this is seam sealed already, and it's seam sealed behind that panel as well as around the self-tapping screws. And the screws are, like I said, just to hold it there while the sealer dries between the two surfaces. I think this turned out pretty well. Yeah, it's gonna keep the water from coming in. It's at least as good as what was there already. And that inner panel will probably continue to rust, but it'll last a long time with this inner panel here now. So let's put this panel on here and I'll show you what it looks like. There you can see I have the front piece done already on this one. And we're going to put the back piece on. Put some seam sealer on here. I'm being pretty generous with this all the way around the edge. So hopefully moisture won't get behind here, get trapped. Go around all the holes. So that'll hold this here and seal it. See, these rubber gloves maybe aren't the right gloves for the job, but oh well. Started out okay. Make sure it's up all the way. And like I said, I'm just using self-tapping screws. Just to hold it in place while the seam sealer dries. Oh, didn't like that one. That one's good. We'll just leave that like that. It's going to be better than what was there, and it is, once I get the seam sealer on there, it's going to be sealed. Sweep away these shavings. There. Let's put some seam sealer on here. And yeah, we're going to use quite a bit. Some across the top as well. Finger. Make sure it gets into the edge. It's a 16 gauge panel, like I said, and yeah, I'm just gonna run some seam sealer around here and rock across there, and we will call her good. So if you have some rust repairs you need, little filler plate like that, just cut a template, 16 gauge steel, sheet metal, screw it on, seam sealed between the surfaces and all the cracks, and yeah, you're done. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you feel you get something out of these, and yeah, till next time, thanks for coming. Bye.